It is the absence of sight, more so the absence of light. Light is what helps us see and understand shapes and forms and colors. Without light, we are blind. No? When you take a picture, sometimes you want to adjust the light so that you would look better. Right? When you cannot find or cannot read a book, what do? You turn on the light. Many years ago, I used to wear thick glasses. They were so expensive because you have to make it thinner, you have to put anti-glare, anti-scratch, so many antis. And the first thing however, there are times when I woke up in the middle of the night and it was dark, so I wouldn't be able to see my glasses. And if it fell on the floor, I had to feel the floor until I found my glasses. I couldn't turn on the light because I couldn't see the switch. And so when I had my eye, I had to lace it. And then I imagined what Bartimaeus must have felt when he saw, the first thing he saw was the face of Jesus. Reality is in front of you, but you cannot see in the dark.